Student, welcome to Gyanjyoti online classes. Student, today we are going to discuss about the fiber to fabric. Okay, chapter number 4. We'll discuss about the fiber, different type of fiber, that natural fiber, and we will discuss also the synthetic fiber. Okay, student. So let's start. First, take the correct answer. Okay, student, first take the correct answer. Now, question number 1: which of the following is a natural fiber? Okay, so in here given that rayon, polyester, wool, and nylon. Okay, student, in here the animal product, the outer hair of the animal, that is wool. Okay, student, number 1. Option C, wool. Okay, student, another question number 2. The process used to separate cotton from cotton balls is that in here given option A, spinning, option B, ratting, option C, weaving, and option D, gaining. Okay, so student, the correct answer is gaining process. So we can use the gaining process to separate the cotton from the ball. Okay. Okay, student. Now we come number 3. The fiber obtained from the outer covering of the coconut is. Okay, student. Number 3, that given option silk, option A silk, option B jute, option C cotton, and option D that coir. Okay, student, number 3, that option D coir. So you have to pick the correct statement. Okay, given option that number 4. Now we come, which of the following is a synthetic fiber? Okay, silk, wool, polyester, cotton. Okay, student, in here 3 natural fiber and 1 that synthetic fiber. Okay, C, polyester. So you have to take polyester. Okay, student, number 5. Which of the following is obtained by blending cotton with polyester? Okay, student, option A polycotton, option B polyamide, option C cotton poly, option D polyamide. Okay, student, in here the correct answer is polycotton. Okay, which of the following is obtained blending cotton with polyester, that is polycotton. Okay, student, you have to take the polycotton, their option A. Okay, student, another number. Now comes the number 2. Fill in the blank. Number B. Okay. The fruits of cotton plants are called dates. Okay, cotton ball. Student, fill in the blanks. Number 1. The fruit of cotton plants are called cotton ball. Number 2, power operated looms are called power looms. Okay student, number 2, power loom. Number 3, jute requires deck soil for cultivation. Okay students, jute requires mainly the fertile soil, that is alluvial soil. Okay, alluvial soil for cultivation. Student, so number 3, that jute requires alluvial soil for cultivation. Okay, alluvial soil for cultivation. Okay, number 4, Dex is the second largest producer of silk after China. Okay student, India is the second largest producer of silk after China. Okay, India. Synthetic fibers like nylon are dex to touch, that is smooth. Okay, so student, number 5, synthetic fibers like nylon are dex to touch, smooth to touch. Okay, now we come number C. State true or false. Okay student, number 1 statement, we get natural fiber from animals. Okay student, mainly we get natural fiber from animals or the natural product animals. Okay student, so we get natural fiber from animals as well as plants. So in here given only animals, so this statement is false. Okay, next, the process of removing hair from sheep is called shearing. Okay, yes, the process that removing of the hair of sheep, that is process called shearing. So the statement is true. Okay student, number 3, silk is obtained from silkworms. Yes, silk obtained from silkworm. True, statement is true. Okay, next, number 4, rayon is a natural fiber. No, natural, not a natural fiber, rayon. Okay, so rayon is a synthetic fiber. Okay, so this statement false statement. Okay, number 5, knitting can be done using only 1 year. Okay, this is false statement. Okay student, now we come number B, answer in one word. Answer in one word. Number 1, long thin hair like strand. that is fiber. Okay, student. Number 2, gain cotton, that is lint. Okay, the process gaining that lint include. So gaining cotton is known as lint. Okay, next, tightly compressed bundles of lint, that is bale. Okay, number 4, process of separating fiber from stalk of jute plant. Okay, that is retting process. Outer covering of coconut, that is coir. Okay, so student, you have to write number D answer in one word. Okay, next, now we come these very short answer type questions. Student, very short answer type questions. Okay, first number is E number. Okay, number 1, name 3 naturally occurring fibers used in clothing. Okay, so that is you can write number 1, 3 natural occurring fibers: cotton, silk, and jute. Okay, number 2, why should seeds be removed from cotton balls? Okay, student, so why should seeds be removed from cotton balls? So how can we remove, and why should the seed be removed from cotton balls? Okay, students, so you can write seeds are removed to obtain the cotton fiber. To make hybrid. Okay, student, so you can write why should seeds be removed from cotton balls? Because seeds are removed to obtain the cotton fiber to make fabric. Okay, next number 3, what type of climate is needed for cultivation of cotton plants? Okay, so student, mainly warm climate and need and moderate rainfall. Number 3, warm climate and moderate rainfall is needed for the cultivation of cotton plant. Okay, student. So, what type of climate is needed for cultivation of cotton plants? So, one climate and moderate rainfall. Okay, student, one climate, it is important for you. One climate and this point or moderate rainfall is needed for the cultivation of cotton plants. Okay, number 4. What do you understand by shearing? Okay, so student, shearing is the process of removing hair from the body of animal. Okay, so student, shearing is the process of removing hair from the body of animals, that is sheep and other that hairy animals. Okay, that mainly the use the natural fiber. Okay, student. So this is your all about the very short answer type questions. Now we come short answer type questions. Number F. Okay. Okay, student. Now we come number F, answer short answer type question. Okay. So first question: how can you classify fibers? Okay, student. Fiber mainly classified into two types. Okay, one is natural fiber, another is the synthetic fibers. Okay. Okay, student. So number 1, fibers can be classified as one natural fiber, A, natural fiber. Okay, natural fibers, that is fibers obtained from natural sources. Okay. Obtained from natural sources like plant and plants and animals are called natural fiber. For example, cotton, jute, wool. Okay, cotton, jute, wool, etc. Okay, student, natural fiber obtained from natural sources like plants and animals are called natural fibers. Okay, for example, cotton, jute, and wool. Next, the synthetic fiber. Synthetic fibers, first we can write the definition of synthetic fibers. So fibers which are made in factories, from various chemicals. For example, rayon and polyester. Okay, student, this is all about the classification of the fibers. Okay, so fiber mainly classify into two types: natural fiber, the fiber obtained from natural sources like plants and animals are called natural fibers. And for example, cotton, jute, wool, etc. Okay, next, synthetic fibers, fibers which are made in factories from various chemicals. Okay, for example, that rayon and polyester. Okay, student, now we come number 2. Okay, student, number 2, what is a rating? Okay, so student, a rating, that is one type of process used to make jute fabrics in which the fibers are separated from the stalk. Okay, so what is rating? Number 2, rating is the process used to make jute fabric in which the fiber are separated from the stalk. Okay, student, in this process stalk of plants are tied into bundles. kept immersed in water. Okay, for several weeks. Okay, so that they become soft and come off easily from the stalk. Okay, student. So, rating is the process used to make jute fabric in which the fibers are separated from the stalk. In this process, stalks of plants are tied into bundles and kept immersed in water for several weeks so that they become soft and come up easily from the stalk. Okay, student, रेटिंग जो प्रोसेस है इससे क्या होता है, रेटिंग प्रोसेस से फाइबर निकाला जाता है, ठीक है, फैब्रिक में उसको कन्वर्ट करते हैं, ठीक है, में जूट फैब्रिक बनाते हैं, ठीक है, एंड इन विच द फाइबर्स आर सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम द स्टॉक, ठीक है, तो उसके जो स्टॉक होते हैं उसके फाइबर निकाले जाते हैं, ठीक है, फाइबर निकाले जाने से इसके बाद क्या करते हैं, इन दिस प्रोसेस स्टॉक्स ऑफ प्लांट्स आर टाइड इनटू बंडल्स, उसको बंडल में बांधा जाता है, ग्रुपिंग करके उसको बंडल बंडल करके उसको बांधा जाता है, ठीक है, बंडल्स एंड केप्ट इमर्स्ड इन वाटर, उसको वाटर में रखा जाता है, कितने वीक, फॉर सेवरल वीक, ठीक है, इससे क्या होता है, वाटर में रखने से इसके जो सॉफ्ट नेचर है, ठीक है, वो सॉफ्ट होगा एंड दी दैट दे बिकम सॉफ्ट एंड कम ऑफ इजीली फ्रॉम दी स्टॉक, ठीक है, और वो फाइबर जो है वो इजीली वहां से फ्रॉम दी स्टॉक से वो फाइबर जो है वो इजीली वापस आएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ रेटिंग. ओके, नेक्स्ट नाउ वी कम नंबर 3. ओके, हाउ सिल्क इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम सिल्क वर्म. So student, how can we obtain silk from silkworm? Okay. Now we come number 3. Number 3. How silk is obtained from silkworms? Okay. So student, you can write silk obtained from a protective covering called protective covering called cocoons. Cocoon which are made by silkworm. Made by silkworm. Okay, around themselves. It is produced by the various species of silkworm. various silkworm. Various species of silkworm. Okay. Okay, student. So silk obtained from a protective covering called cocoon. Okay. So which are made by silkworm. Okay, around themselves. Okay, student, silkworm, the four stages of the silkworm, that larval form to adult form, that cover the cocoon, look like the silkworm make their outer covering called cocoon. Okay, look like this. Okay, this is cocoon, outer covering of silkworm. Okay, so which are made by silkworm around themselves. Okay, student, and it is produced by the various species of silkworm. Okay, student, देखो सिल्क, हमें सिल्क मिलता है जो कि प्रोटेक्टिव कवर होता है. ठीक है, ये जो कोकून कहते हैं प्रोटेक्टिव कवर होते हैं. इसे इसका लुक लाइक दिस. ठीक है, ऐसे दिखते हैं कोकून, व्हिच आर मेड बाय सिल्कवर्म. ठीक है, इसको सिल्कवर्म ही बनाता है. ठीक है, ये जो आउटर कवरिंग है इसको सिल्कवर्म बनाता है. ठीक है, और इसे क्या है, जो सिल्कवर्म बनाकर इसको प्रोड्यूस बाय द वेरियस स्पेसीज ऑफ सिल्कवर्म. ऐसे बहुत सारा सिल्कवर्म का स्पेसीज है, बहुत सारा है, जो मलबेरी लीफ में ये सब बनाते हैं. ठीक है, मलबेरी का और सिल्कवर्म का जो मुगा, उसका वेराइटी है. ठीक है, मुगा टाइप का होता है, और जो मलबेरी लीफ का इस अलग टाइप का स्पेसीज होता है. मलबेरी लीफ में खास करके ये कोकून जो है ये बनाते हैं. और ये प्रोसेस है, कोकून जो है ये लार्वा फॉर्म टू एडल्ट फॉर्म जो डेवलप होते हैं, इसी से हम सिल्क मिलता है. ठीक है, कौन सा स्टेज में, जब एक कोकून स्टेज में रहता है तभी हमें सिल्क हमें मिलेगा. ठीक है. ओके स्टूडेंट, दिस इज योर ऑल अबाउट योर नंबर 3, दैट प्रोसेस ऑफ सिल्क obtained from the covering, outer covering of cocoon. Okay, cocoon, that is cocoon. Okay student, now we come number 4. Number 4, list types of synthetic fibers. Okay, so student, types of synthetic fibers, mainly that regenerated synthetic fiber and the true synthetic fiber. Okay, so what is the regenerated synthetic fiber and what is true synthetic fibers? Okay, so student, we can write number 4, types of synthetic fiber. Okay student, types of synthetic fibers are: 1, regenerated synthetic fiber. Okay, regenerated synthetic fiber, it is made from natural materials which have been chemically processed process. Okay, for example, rayon. Okay, and the number 2, true synthetic fiber. Okay, so student, what is true synthetic fiber? It is entirely made from chemicals. Okay, for example, nylon. Okay, student, types of synthetic fibers are first mainly divided into two types: regenerated synthetic fiber, another is true synthetic fiber. Okay, so a regenerated synthetic fiber, it is made from natural materials which have been chemically processed. Okay, for example, rayon. Okay, and another types of synthetic fiber, true synthetic fibers, it is entirely made from chemicals. Okay, for example, nylon. Okay, स्टूडेंट देखो यहाँ टाइप्स ऑफ सिंथेटिक फाइबर को डिवाइड किए हैं, सिंथेटिक फाइबर को क्लासिफाई किया गया है. ठीक है, सिंथेटिक फाइबर दो टाइप का है. ठीक है, पहला जो है रीजेनरेटेड सिंथेटिक फाइबर और जो सेकेंड है ट्रू सिंथेटिक फाइबर. ठीक है, तो रीजेनरेटेड सिंथेटिक फाइबर क्या है? मेड ऑफ नेचुरली, ये नेचुरली बना है. ठीक है, नेचुरली ही बना रहता है और नेचुरली मेड अप फ्रॉम नेचुरल मटेरियल्स व्हिच हैव बीन केमिकली प्रोसेस्ड. नेचुरल मटेरियल से बनता है लेकिन ये जो उसका प्रोसेस है ये केमिकली होता है. ठीक है, नेचुरली पूरा नहीं है, ये उसी का मटेरियल है, नेचुरल मटेरियल है, बट द प्रोसेस इज केमिकल. ओके, एंड फॉर एग्जांपल रेयन, अनदर इज ट्रू सिंथेटिक. ठीक है, और ये क्या है? ये पूरा केमिकल से ही बना होता है जो ट्रू सिंथेटिक फाइबर है. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल नायलॉन. ओके, नायलॉन इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ ट्रू सिंथेटिक फाइबर. ठीक है, ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी कम नंबर 5. Okay student, now we come number 5th. What properties make synthetic fiber useful? Okay student, so synthetic fibers are useful because synthetic fiber useful कैसे है? ठीक है, synthetic fiber are useful because they are stronger than natural fiber. Natural fibers also they dry faster and do not get wrinkled. And do not get wrinkled. Synthetic fibers are useful because they are stronger than natural fibers also they dry faster and do not get wrinkle. ठीक है, सिंथेटिक फाइबर यूजफुल क्यों है? क्योंकि सिंथेटिक फाइबर जो है वो स्ट्रॉन्गर रहता है, किससे? एज कंपेयर टू नेचुरल फाइबर. ओके, ऑल्सो ड्राई फास्टर एंड डू नॉट गेट रिंकल. ठीक है, ये रिंकल नहीं होता, ठीक है, मोड़ा हुआ नहीं होता ये, और जल्दी से सूखता है और ये रिंकल नहीं होता. ठीक है, इसलिए ये सिंथेटिक फाइबर जो है यूजफुल है. ओके स्टूडेंट, this is all about these are all about your number F. Okay, so student number G. Okay, that long type questions you have to do yourself. Write number 1, number G, long question type and questions. Okay, write the steps in making up cotton, that cotton cloth is. Okay, so student, first you have to write the process of stepwise. That process of cloth is gaining process, and you have to describe gaining, spinning and weaving process. Okay student, number 2, explain the advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fibers. Okay, so student, you have to write first advantages of synthetic fiber. They are stronger than natural fiber. You have to write they are dry faster and they do not get wrinkled. And some of the disadvantages of the synthetic fibers: they contain less air spaces, so do not absorb sweat. They can, another point you can write, they can use skin problems in hot and humid weather. And also you can write they burn easily when come in contact of fire. Okay student, all these about the advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fibers. Okay, next number 3, what is knitting? How wool is obtained? Okay, how wool is obtained? So knitting is the process of making woolen clothes from the yarns of wool. Okay, and wool we easily obtain from the fleece of sheep or goat by the process of shearing, is in which the hair of animals are removed from their body. Okay, next number 4, how will you distinguish between wool and silk fiber with the help of burning test? Okay student, burning test you can try. So silk and wool both are the animals fibers, but it is harder to ignite wool than silk. Okay, although both the wool and silk that burn with a steady smell of burning hair, but it is more difficult to keep the wool burning than the silk. Okay student, you can also write the samples of silk are not easy extinguished, but it ash is easily crumbled. Okay, that the ash is easily crumbled. So both silk and wool burn with a yellow flame. Okay, and do not continue to burn for long time. So student, this is your number 4, distinguish between wool and silk. Okay, so student, this is all about your question answer chapter number 4. Okay, you have to do all the long question type answer type questions. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.